Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Instacart driver's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Instacart driver's account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Instacart driver sign up and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. It will take you to the sign up page of Instacart driver application. To sign up for your Instacart driver account, enter your first and last name, your email address, cell phone number, zip code, and click on Create Account. This is how you can sign up for your Instacart driver's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.